The GMC HUMMER Edition 1 SUV is the perfect combination of off-road capability and on-road performance. Powered by GM's Ultium platform, this SUV offers a 3-motor E4-wheel drive system offering up to 830 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. This impressive power enables 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints in around 3.5 seconds with standard watts to freedom. This groundbreaking SUV also has other incredible features such as a nearly 9-inch shorter wheelbase than the HUMMER EV pickup for greater departure and breakover angles, a tighter turning circle of only 35.4 feet with 4-wheel steer, and its signature standard CrabWalk feature with diagonal drive functionality. With 800-volt DC public fast charging capability up to 300 kilowatts, it's clear why this vehicle is so popular. The rear design is unique to the SUV, incorporating a full-size spare tire mounted to a power swing-out tailgate. Plus, the 2024 edition comes with exclusive Moonshot Green Matte exterior paint color. GMC is setting the industry standard with their electric vehicles. The HUMMER EV pickup and SUV Plus recently revealed Sierra EV Denali Edition 15, making them the first brand to reveal 3 all-electric trucks. Reservations for the GMC HUMMER EV Edition 1 SUV are currently full, with initial production beginning in early 2023 at GM's Factory Zero Detroit Hamtramck Assembly, an investment of $2.2 billion devoted entirely to electric vehicle production. Future production vehicles from this factory will have 0 tailpipe emissions. What more could you ask for? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,